Hey Ash,
What's up?
you want to make a video?
For cereal?
For cereal.
Should we make a video of that cheap Indian we bought?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, here's the goods. Is the wheel not going backwards or something?
I guess not. Ready? Ready?
Back up the handlebars.
This thing is cool.
I need to talk for the whole neighbor to hear. So YouTube can hear me correctly. Oh! What was that? Okay, let's go. This reminds me of the movie, The World's Fastest Indian. You ever seen that movie?
Yeah, I love that movie.
This was the motorcycle he built.
Really?
No, that'd be cool though, huh?
It would have been
But
cool.
for real, this was featured in the movie.
Really?
No, that was the last year. That'd be cool, huh?
Yeah, it would have been cool.
Look at that beast. She's a beauty. You know? We'll rub her up a little bit. She's good. She's good. This is the story. This is the deal, okay? We have no idea if there's anything wrong with it. It could be perfectly fine. Do I have my phone? Where's my phone?
Well, he looks for that. We'll look at the motor. She's looking kind of rusty, dusty, but you know,
I got it.
it's all cosmetic. All right.
The wrench, but not my phone.
Oh, he's getting there.
Oh, it's in my pocket.
It's in your
my front
pocket. You got it.
Okay, we're back. You gotta do this, the hands thing. Leo taught me the hands thing. Alright, so here's the deal. We drove 6 hours to Rose City, Michigan, and we picked this up for $500. It is an Indian Chief Moped, 1980. It was manufactured in December of 1980. It was listed by a gentleman named Jay on behalf of his father, Richard. And Richard bought this in Florida from his friend's wife that was selling her things so she could raise money for Ronald's funeral. Unfortunately, Ronald passed away from melanoma, and he loved this moped very much, and Richard would like to see this running, so we're definitely gonna get it running. We picked this up. It was a rainy, stormy night, and it was foggy, and honestly we thought we were gonna get duped because we ended up on a dirt road with forest all around us and no lights or houses to be seen. Luckily we weren't, and we were led right into where this was, and we weren't able to get a whole lot of footage, and luckily the rain died down, but I'll put in what we do have now.
He got cancer, went to an estate sale, paid $500 for it. He died. I gave his wife $500 for it and brought it back from Florida. That's all I know.
So you never tried to start it or nothing?
I wouldn't know how to start that thing. I'm serious. I don't know nothing about it. There's a book. Whatever, just your basic
Very cool.
parts. A dime a dozen. Literally.
The lights on.
This blinker, every moped, every motorcycle in the 70s and 80s used those blinkers.
Hopefully I can find one that looks just as warm. What else you got for sale?
Nothing.
Nothing else? Okay.
Yeah.
I always gotta try. Never. Very excited.
I know, I am too.
We gotta go.
I don't know if I told you this, but I even dropped Aaron our pin of where our location was at. I said, this is our last known location if we go missing. And he said, keep me updated.
So what do you think about it?
I love it. I think it's cute.
Would you support that?
Heck yeah, I would sport this. I'd probably get more looks than on my e-bike. Don't you think?
This has a cool factor
Yeah.
that has yet to fully be discovered.
Ooh.
This is the first glance of it. You got a manual, parts manual. You got the key. And inside of here, we have a few things. All right, so we have, what is this, the fuel shut-off valve? And we have a limited warranty. This was the service records book. It's the warranty booklet. We got a little handkerchief,
Handy dandy.
3 sprockets, a couple wrenches, and I'm guessing this is a new spark plug. So let's check this out.
How do you know if it's
New?
yeah?
It don't look like that.
So guessing not new.
Is this a new spark plug down here? Yeah.
Yeah, that looks very new.
That's a new spark plug.
So that's the difference.
Oh, and this is, oh. Wait a minute. This is supposed to be in here. That's not good. So we got that, and let's open up this tank and see if we can get a good look inside this tank.
Ooh, that will be good. I hope that it's nice and clean.
Well, that's like seized, and this was actually just sitting on it. Oh, that looks really bad. Look at that. Do you have
Yeah, it
your
does.
flashlight? Oh, this smells horrible.
I didn't take a sniff.
No, it smells like
I do
new
smell it.
shoes.
I do smell it.
You know, a box and you smell inside the shoe?
Yeah.
That's not good. Let's get a look inside of this tank here. Ooh. Oh, that doesn't look good.
It does smell like new shoes. It's weird.
Yeah, see what I'm saying? It smells like a new pair of Nikes.
So how would you fix that part, or do we have to?
I don't know. Does anybody have a suggestion on how to fix this? I don't know. I feel like the tank honestly doesn't look that bad. It looks caked. Maybe they tried something already. Maybe that's what we're smelling, is somebody put something in the tank to try to get the rust out. I don't know. If anybody knows what that could possibly be that smells like new shoes, let us know in the comments.
Yeah. Whew.
Here, so we have a broken tail light.
Let's take a look at
One
that.
broken tail light. Looks like this whole thing is bent a little bit. Yeah, this bracket over here
Oh yeah, I
is
see
bent
it.
a little bit. The tires look tired. So this is a 6-volt system. How I know that is I was actually watching some videos this morning, and hopefully I won't need to use any of those videos, but it was, what was it, CG Makery? CG Makery. So if you guys need to watch any videos on how to basically put this thing together, I would go check out his videos. Look at that exhaust hole. That is the teeniest little hole I've ever seen. Oh, look at back there. You see the kickstand? There's the weld on it bust a little bit.
Oh. Oh, I can see it now. Yeah.
Let's test the brakes out, see if the brakes work at all.
All right.
Looks like we have 2 keys here.
2 clean.
Are they the same? I don't think they're the same.
Huh.
No, they're slightly different. Maybe one's for the tank. But that is definitely...
That's definitely seized.
And that tank is ugly.
Except I love that Indian sticker, or the decal.
I wonder how far the tank goes. Like, does it go here? Or does it go into the body? This seat over here is pretty, it's in really good shape. There's only a few tiny spots, and then back here, look, it's slightly peeling up a little bit.
Oh, okay. It's
Other
still
than that,
very clean. So, what's your plans for this thing?
I don't know, I was thinking a big bore kit, a turbo, cold shot of nitrous, cold air intake, and we'll be ripping like India.
Heck yeah. That sounds like a good plan.
What do you guys think we should do? Do you think we should hot rod it, or should we do a complete restoration, or should we just try to get it running and enjoy it for what it is, or should we just scrap it? But I'm guessing I'm gonna put on this thingy-majigger and then maybe pop off the spark plug and put some WD in there, try to turn it over, clean out the cylinder a little bit, and maybe rig up a little bottle for a fuel tank so we can just bypass this tank for now for testing purposes. There's a 6-volt battery, I guess, in here. I don't even know where the battery, oh, it's right here. Look at that. It's like a battery right in there.
Oh, wow. I was cranking the pedals like it was my regular bike. I was like, oh, I don't know if I like that. What you looking at?
I wonder if this is going to be a concern. Well, we'll find out. This seems incorrect. It seems a little loose, no? Loosey-goosey?
Loosey-goosey. I don't know, because we didn't really know how this ran before, you know? So
Why is it not
is it
off the
supposed to be
ground?
loose? Is it not supposed to be loose?
Oh, that's because it's broken. Look at it. You see it's broken right there?
Oh,
So it's
I do
not even,
see it
it's not even high
right
enough.
here.
It's not even high enough to...
So can we weld that back?
I don't know. Maybe some JB weld? The other way.
I can't. I can't.
No?
It's not letting me do none. You want me to do that and you try to do it? Careful. So can you ride it or no? It's not rideable? Try.
I'm honestly just trying to turn this for a second. Oh. It's not seized. That's good. Alright.
A plus.
No more for today. That's enough video for today, guys.
Alright, you gotta hit the camera like Leo showed you.
Hit that feel good button. You know, do all...
And then
What was it? Foggy.
yeah.
Okay. Foggy night, and what was I gonna say about that?
You wanna make a video?
For YouTube?
Yeah, for YouTube.
Let's do it.
Alright.
And I keep forgetting my train of thought. My great-great-great-great-grandma, she went on a field trip to the reservation, and she came back with a souvenir. Oh! Scam likely. Not today, brother. Restart.
Got it.
Like restart the video.
Oh.